Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Good morning, everybody. Let's complete together our lesson vector. Today I'll talk about vector geometry. Vector geometry. Okay. As I explained to you before in the class, that if I have a vector, we can call it by two letters or just one letter, like this, like A. We can call this vector A. And any vector parallel to A in this direction, from left to right, it will be equal A. But if I have another vector parallel to A, but take opposite direction from right to left, so it will be negative A, like this. And this vector equal B. Take the direction from top to bottom. Any vector parallel to B will be the same value B, positive, but has to take the same direction from top to bottom. If it take opposite direction, it will be negative B. Okay, let's try this in exercise 2. Exercise 2, question number 1. He said use this diagram to answer question from 1 to 4. AB is a vector represented by letter X. Take which direction from A to B? And here direction another vector Y, take the direction from top to bottom. Okay, any vector parallel to AB with the same direction from left to right will equal X. And if take opposite direction, if parallel to X and take opposite direction, it will equal negative X. And any vector parallel Y, take the direction from top to bottom, will be equal Y. And if parallel to Y and take opposite direction, it will be negative Y. Take care, put in your mind that the length of AB is 1, 2 squares, but the length of X, which is AB, the length of X is 2 squares, but the length of Y is just 1 square. Is just 1 square, like this. So X equal 2 and Y equal 1. Okay, let's see these questions. He said for question from 1 to 2, express each vector in term of X and Y. So he gave me the vector as X, Y, E, O, like this, but he asked me to represent each of them as X or Y. Okay, how many X's, how many Y, positive or negative? Let's see. In the beginning, he asked about vector X, Y. So my direction start from X and go to Y. Where is X, Y? I didn't mean this X, which written in bold, but I mean this diagram. So here X. Where is Y? Let's search about Y. This is Y. Okay, as you see, XY is a vector parallel to AB, parallel to X. So it will take the same length X. We can represent XY, which takes the direction from left to right, equal X, because it is parallel to AB, which takes the direction from left to right. So XY equal X. Okay, let's see the second, EO. Where is E here? This is E. Where is O? This is O. So EO parallel to the vector Y and take its direction. But how many Y? Each Y equal 1 square. Here from E to O, how many square I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. In the same direction, so I have 4 positive Y. So EO can be represented by 4Y. WC, where is W? This is W. And where is C? This is C. WC, I'll take the direction from W to C, from down to up. Okay, so this is parallel to Y, but opposite in direction. The direction of Y from top to bottom, but the direction of WC from bottom to top. So it will be negative Y. But how many Y? Let's count how many square. The distance between W and C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So negative 8y. Negative 8y. Okay. TP, vector TP. TP, take the opposite direction of x, but parallel to x. So it will be equal x, but how many x in which direction? How many x from T to B? I said hx, take 2 squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4, but opposite direction. So it will be negative 4x. Negative 4x. Okay. Let's see question number 2. He asked about KC. Where is KC in this diagram? This is K and this is C. Okay, take care. So you will take the direction from K till reach to C. I'll take this direction from K to L. I have 1x positive, and from L to M another 1x positive. So I have here 2x positive, the same direction of x. And how many y till reach to C? 1, 2, 3, 4, but opposite direction. So the distance from K to C will be 2x positive and 4y negative. 2x positive and 4y negative. Let's see the vector VC. VC. This is V and this is C. I want to reach from V to C, but I want to take the direction parallel to X or parallel to Y. I'll start from V, walk to W. So I have 1x positive parallel to X, so 1x positive. From W to C, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 y, but opposite in direction. So VC can be represented by 1x positive and negative 8 and negative 8. Negative 8y. Negative 8y. Sorry, negative 8y. Let's see CU. Where is C? This is C. And U. I'll take the direction from C to U, but parallel to X and Y. From C, I'll walk till reach to W and then go to U. From C to W, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 positive Y. So 8Y positive and 1, 2X in opposite direction. So I have 8Y positive and negative 2X. 8Y positive and negative 2X. AS. Where is A and S? This is S. I want to take this AS. Okay, you see? I'll start from A till reach to S. From A, I'll take 1x, 2x, 3x, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 y negative. So I have 6 in the same direction, sorry. So 6y positive and 1, 2, 3 x also positive. So from A to S, I'll walk from A to D, then from D to S. From A to D, 1, 2, 3 x positive, and from D to S, I have 6y positive. So AS can be represented by 3x plus 6y. Let's see question 3 and 4. He said for question 3 and 4, find the vector formed when the vectors given are added to point H. So in each time I'll start from point H. This is point H. Okay. Write the vector as capital letter like this, HO, in direction. I want 2x. How I can solve this problem? I'll start from H and take 2x. 2x positive or negative? Positive. So I'll take the same direction of x. This is 1 and 2. So the vector will be H, J, and start from H and in J. Okay, Let's see letter B in question 3. I want x plus 2y. I'll start from h. X positive, so I walk to the right in the same direction of x, just one x. And 2y positive, so 1, 2. I reach to n, so it will be